I turned 60 years old. Yeah. Where's my women over 60? Yeah, you over 60, ma'am? Yeah, what is your name, sweetheart? Teresa. What? Teresa. She got a little attitude. All right, everybody say, hey, Teresa. Teresa. You're over 60? Yep. Can I ask you a personal question? Just between us. You ever sneeze and pee your pants? Is that normal? I don't know what's the matter. Lately I sneeze, I pee my pants. It's like, ma'am, do you need a Kleenex? No. But some kitty litter would be nice. What the heck? You remember them good old days, Teresa? Yeah, before gravity got to us. I don't mean to brag, fellas, but in my day, I wore a 32 double D. Now I'm a 38 long. I don't mean to brag, fellas, but I could breastfeed you from right here. I mean, most women have great melons. I got fruit roll-ups, just... Oh, heck, you see me naked. Looks like I got 4 arms. That's why I'd be terrified to go to a nude beach. People might think I'm an octopus or something, you know.